In 25 years of parking, a fantastic Japanese sports car has turned into a flower bed. Another terrible story from the UK. As you can see on these photos, here is forgotten and abandoned two-seater Toyota MR2 sports car in the first generation, which stood on the assembly line from 1984 to 1989. At one point, the car simply became unnecessary and was put in the backyard for 25 years. What a funny thing you do, my God! Such a cool car with a mid-engine layout, almost a supercar, which allowing you to experience the phenomenal handling and drive at the maximum. Years passed and the car turned into a flower bed. Even the name was given for a reason. MR2 means mid-engine rear-wheel two-seater. In the year of its appearance, it was fair that the car received the title Car of the Year. Several engines were available, ranging from the base 1.5 litre to the top 2 litre at the time. They decided not to make the suspension themselves, but entrusted it to the professionals from Lotus. I hope everyone remembers those small cars with great handling and right weight. The weight of the car is also a real achievement. Toyota has designed and released a couple to the public roads, which in various configurations weighed from 950 kilograms to 1 ton. And even the base 112 horsepower for 950 kilograms of weight was a lot, especially with the rear-wheel drive and the engine located at the back. A real air duct, not like props we have now. Acceleration to 100 km per hour took from 8 seconds and that 112 strong version, and up to 6.5 seconds at the 145 strong car. The car was taken, but I don't think that it can still be saved. Too much time has passed, and nature did it best. There were also completely evil limited versions made in a limited edition of 300 pieces only, with a capacity of 182 horsepower. Now, the coupe is among its relatives, although the fate of the most of them is a foregone conclusion, and they will be disassembled, partly for sale and the rest to restore more intact samples. What a handsome it was! Don't forget to subscribe and like it. Thanks for sharing, and bye bye!